Hello, my students. It's nice to see you again. How are you? I hope you are good. So, it's time we study English. Are you ready? Now, let's start with our lessons. Today, we will review some exercise from Unit 10, Unit 11, and Unit 12. First of all you take out your notebook and pen, please. Now, let's start with exercise number 1. In this exercise, you look at the pictures and then you have to complete the crossword. The word for number 1 is batteries. And this is also the samples. Now your turns from number 12 to number 8. Okay, I give you 1 minute to complete your exercise. Okay, everybody, time is over. Let's check together. Number 2, channels. Number 3, stadium. Number 4, passengers. Number 5, luggage. Number 6, passport. Number 7, newspapers. And the last one, number 8, karaoke. I think all you will have a correct answer, right? Now let's move to exercise number 2. In this exercise, you have to read the paragraph and you fill in the blank with the paragraph by taking the words in the box and then write them in the blanks. Okay, we have some words in the box such as channel, show, the news, cartoons, documentaries. Okay, 1 minute for you to finish your exercise.
The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all day long. The people on the bus bounce up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus bounce up and down all day long. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long.
Time is over. Let's check together. Number 1, cartoon. Number 2, show. Number 3, channel. Number 4, documentaries. And number 5, the news. I hope all of you have a correct answer. Good. Let's move to exercise number 3. You read and circle. In this exercise, you have to pay attention to the way of using many and much. How many is for countable nouns, and how much is for uncountable nouns. Number 1 is an examples. How much luggage do you take on vacations? And your turn is number 2, 3, and 4. 1 minute for you to finish your exercise.
The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all day long. Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all day long.
Times is over. Let's check together. The correct answers for number 2. How many? Number 3. How many? And number 4, how much? So let's move to exercise number 4. Before doing this exercise, let me remind you the usings of any, some, many, much, and lots of. You have to write many, some, any, or lots of in the suitable place of these conversations between reader and assistant. Let's start with number 1 as examples. Do you have any tickets for the game next week? And your turn is number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1 minute for you.
The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all day long. Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all day long.
So let's check together. Number 1, some. Number 2, many. Number 3, any. Number 4, any. And number 5, lots of times. The exercise is very easy for you, right? So how about exercise number 5? What will you do with this exercise? Let's review with the ways making suggestions. We have some suggestion sentence. Why don't you How about we go with verb in? And these are some answers we go with these suggestions, such as okay, great, that's a great idea. So you should read the compositions and choose the correct words. Number 1 is an example. Idea. That's a good idea. Number 2, why don't we go to the pizza restaurants? And number 3, you how about? Number 4, the answer is okay. And number 5, great, that's great, let's go. Now let's move to the next exercise. In this exercise, you have to read the question and then answers. So let's take a look with the schedules and answer the questions below. How often? Never. Every day. 3 times a week. Twice a week. Exercise number 1 is an example. She has music once a week. Your turn is number 2, 3, and 4. And I give you 1 minute to finish your exercise.
On the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all day long. Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all day long.
Now, let's check together. Number 2, she has English every day. Number 3, she has math 3 times a week. Number 4, she has math twice a week. Or you have a correct answer? Good. How about the next exercise? What will you do? Okay, you have to choose the infinitive verb in the box to fill in the blanks. Number 1 is example. I'm buying tomatoes and cheese to make a pizza. Your turn is number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, 1 minute for you to finish.
On the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all day long. Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish.
Okay, let's check together. Number 2, to buy. Number 3, to play. Number 4, to read. And number 5, to watch. Okay, my students, I hope all of you have the correct answers, right? And I want you to review again on the exercise at home regularly in order to remember the remarks of the lesson. Now, it's time to say goodbye and have a nice day, my student. Goodbye.